Want a high-paying job? Here are the top 5 careers for 2024. At number 5 we have software engineer. Average salary, $120,000 a year. Software engineers are in demand across all industries. They are the backbone of the tech world. Next, at number 4, it's data scientists. They make around $130,000 a year. Data is the new gold, and data scientists know how to mine it. They turn data into insights. Coming in at number 3 we have cybersecurity specialist WAIF, average salary, $140,000 a year. These experts protect sensitive information. Cybersecurity is a top-paying field. At number 2, it's cloud architect. They earn about $150,000 a year. With the rise of cloud computing, cloud architects are in high demand. They design secure and scalable systems. And finally, at number 1, we have AI/ML engineer. They rake in a whopping $160,000 a year. Artificial intelligence is shaping the future. AI/ML engineers are leading the charge. Want to know more about these careers? Subscribe for more insights on high-paying jobs.